One sunny morning, a little rabbit named Luna was playing in the meadow. Suddenly, she saw something glowing in the grass. It was a golden feather, warm and magical. Luna picked it up carefully. "Where did this come from?" she whispered. An old owl named Oliver sat on the tall oak tree. He smiled when he saw the feather. "Ah, you found it, little one," he said slowly. "That feather belongs to the sky garden, a magical place above the clouds. Only the brave can find it." Oliver waved his wing, and suddenly a staircase of clouds appeared from the ground to the sky. Luna's eyes grew wide. "Is this real?" she asked. "Yes," said Oliver. "But you must walk up, alone. Are you brave enough?" Luna took a deep breath. "Yes," she said. "I am." Luna climbed up, step by step. Each cloud felt soft under her paws. The wind was gentle. Below her, the meadow looked tiny and far away. "I am high," she said with a laugh. She felt happy, and a little scared too. But she kept going. At the top of the stairs, Luna saw a big gate made of golden flowers. Beautiful music came from behind it, soft and sweet, like a song from a dream. Luna pushed the gate slowly. It opened with a gentle creak. The sky garden was the most beautiful place Luna had ever seen. Flowers as tall as trees, waterfalls of golden light. Little glowing creatures danced in the air. "Oh," said Luna softly, "it is real. It is so beautiful." In the center of the garden stood a beautiful deer with flowers growing from her antlers. "Welcome, little one," said the deer in a calm, warm voice. "My name is Sarah. I am the guardian of this garden. Why did you come?" Luna held up the golden feather. "I found this and followed my heart," she said. Sarah smiled. "The feather chose you because you are kind and brave," she said. She touched Luna's forehead gently with her glowing nose. Luna felt warm all over, like sunshine inside her chest. "I give you a gift," said Sarah. "A wish. One wish, for someone else, not for yourself." Luna closed her eyes. She thought about Oliver, her old friend who lived alone in the forest. She thought about his kind eyes and his patient voice. "I wish," she said slowly, "that Oliver will never feel lonely again." A big golden light filled the sky. Far below, in the old oak tree, Oliver felt something change. Fireflies gathered around him. Small animals came, a fox, a hedgehog, a little deer. They all sat together in silence. Oliver did not understand, but his heart felt full. "I am not alone," he whispered. Luna floated back down to the meadow with the feather in her paw. The sun was rising. The grass was warm. She ran to Oliver's tree as fast as her little legs could carry her. "Oliver," she called. "I found it. I found the sky garden." Oliver looked at her with soft, happy eyes. "And what was the treasure, little Luna?" he asked. Luna smiled and held his wing. "The treasure was never gold," she said. "It was always you, my friend." Oliver put his wing around her, and together they watched the sun rise over the forest. The end.